Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a family spec tool in LINKo7 to organize your family types in REVIT and export that into LINKo7 and AutoCAD, where you can do modeling as we will see in other videos. So the whole idea about the family spec is to help you make a specifications of a project, the specific projects, and this is like a project manager tool. So all your types that you will be using in the project, including all the columns, and if you're using steel shapes, specific steel shapes, AISC, or columns, specific concrete columns, or specific windows, doors, and other stuff. So instead of going back and forth and loading types from the libraries provided by REVIT, so you can use this tool to organize all of that, and you do it once and it could be used in other projects as well. So you load the family spec in LINKo7 using this button. So this is the dialog box that will appear. You will see here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. The first one is the system tab, which is the system types elements you have in every REVIT project file, and depending on the template, whether it's architectural, structural, you will get specific system types. So walls, you will have system wall, and you have these types here. Those are built-in types. Same thing with floor, the structure columns, etc., etc. The second tab is the standard libraries. That these are files on your hard drive, where also it comes with REVIT when you install REVIT. So this is the exact folder structure you will find in the library folder, where you can load extra elements, and you can see here imperial and metric. This is the exact this mimics the exact folder structure on your hard drive. Using this tool also, you can easily create duplicates. So if you created duplicates, it will show here, and these are custom. In other video, there is a custom element or custom family you can create in AutoCAD and import it into REVIT to become a custom family type. So you can load it here as well. So the whole idea is to get all the types, element types, whether standard or system or duplicates or custom, in one user interface, where you can create a specification for your projects, saying this is the elements are we going to be using in the project, and everyone will get a file. So we will put all of the here, all of whatever we're gonna create here into a file, and this file can be distributed to all users so they can use it during the project. So all you have to do is just you start by give it a name. So we call this test spec, and let's say I want some walls. I'm gonna be working with specific types of walls. So all you have to do, very simple, drag and drop into the modeling view. So this is like a tree view. You can add elements here, and this will go on to any level you want. So you can say, okay, system walls, and you will drag and drop this under here, so it will go here. Keep adding, and you can see this is all metric. So depending on the template you're loading in Auto and REVIT, you will get the specific elements. So go for the floors. So you have the floor, you can drag and drop floor, you can go like that, and you can go any deeper. Same thing with the columns, system structure column. If you want to add a specific category, you can get it from here, or you can type it in here. So it allows you to type in like the root. This is like a tree structure. You can go on and on for foundation, floors, doors, or you can, and then you can also add the from standard, like you can go to structural columns, concrete. So you may want to say, okay, structural columns. Under structural columns, you can say concrete here, and you can add this to concrete, and these are the actual elements. You have two colors. The green ones, these are the system ones that's already loaded. The red ones or the maroon ones, those are, it says that they are not loaded into the project file, which doesn't matter because you're going to be using this in LINKo7 and AutoCAD. So you don't have to load it into the project file. Actually, this whole thing is not related to any REVIT project file, because you will save this into a LINKo7 specific file in a specific format, and it can be used into LINKo7 AutoCAD. You can say duplicates. You can create a duplicate. You can delete, or if you want to load it, you can load it from here. So duplicate has not been saved. Do you want to save changes? Yes. So we call this modeling view. So it loads this, the regular REVIT creating duplicates. So once you create a duplicate, let's give it the default name, and you can make changes here. Hit OK, and next time you load it, you will see it in the duplicate. So you can drag it and drop it here. So this is how you create a duplicate and add it to the tree structure. You can always do save at any time. You can save as a different name if you want to, or you can open an existing one. So let's do the custom. We already, in another video, we created a custom family, and they are in libraries, document. So this column, we created a different video. You can also custom ones that you created in LINKo7 and AutoCAD. You can also drag it and drop it here, maybe under wherever here. Again, gives you a red color. That means it's not loaded into the current project file. That's it. I mean, it's very simple. You can save it. Once you save it, it's a file that you can load in AutoCAD. We will see that in a different video, maybe in a different with a different spec family and Imperial. So we will use that to create a real model, a building, a rebuilding in AutoCAD, and we will generate that building in REVIT. Thank you for watching.